Hi, this is John with SuperMax Tools. Today we're going to be going over the SuperBrush double head machine, available in the 24-inch wide and 36-inch wide. Got a couple things on the double head. The double head machine has two different heads, which allows you to have a different setup. You can put a wire, a nylon, Scotch-Brite, flatter heads, a lot of different grits that you can use. With the machine you have two 5-horsepower motors come standard. You can turn each head on separately in case you only want to use one head at a certain time. You can control the rotation of the second head by simply flipping the switch down here. With the machine you also have full adjustment from 0 to 30 feet per minute. The machine comes with a height adjustment. Then you can also control the RPM of each head separately. And it goes from 400 to 1200 RPM.